Hey guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS Rivalry High. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown at our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys we can't do this, so thank you. And let's go. So today we've got a look at the ADIDAS Rivalry High, and we got this in the it's the glory red colorway with cool black, and it's a white as well. We got this in the UK size 8, it's a European 42, and it's a US 8.5. Sorry, no, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm losing my speech here. Forgive me, guys. So we've got a look at the ADIDAS Rivalry High. For those that don't know, it is a high top basketball sneaker, hence the high in it. And here they are. So before Nike dominated the basketball scene with obviously the Nike Dunk, collegiate basketball I must add, and to be fair to the NBA, because they by then I mean Adidas had Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, and he was wearing the Forum Highs. It's the superstar, and I can't remember any other Adidas athlete off the top of my head, but in the late 70s, early 80s, well to be fair, during the 80s, just before Jordan became the man, the myth, the legend that is Michael Jordan, Air Jordan, etc. Adidas, and it was Converse. So Converse was, massive in the basketball scene by that time. They were sponsoring Larry Bird and Magic Johnson. Adidas was there as well. So you'd see a lot of Adidas rivalry highs during college basketball. That's the main sport you will see these sneakers in. Just to preface, I hope I said that right. These sneakers come unlaced, so you have to lace them up. So that's just a little warning if you don't like lacing up your own sneakers. I'm sorry you have to do that. But yeah, it's just, we're cheating here at Oneupreviewz. We lace these prior to the unboxing. So we'll get into all the details right now for you. So this outsole right here is an all rubber outsole. You can see the traction patterning all over. It's like a radial patterning there. You've got the Adidas logo also. Looking into the midsole, so this is essentially a rubber cup sole. So it's all around rubber, good grip. And moving on down to the upper, and you've got a blend of materials. This is, I want to say, well, when I read it online, it's a Chilean red. So if you were to look at the free stripe, so that is the most prominent feature on the sneaker. It's the free stripes here on the lateral side. It's like a terry towel effect. It's like a little fleece right there. It's a very nice effect. And on the website as well, this said it's representing Chicago before a certain someone dominated Chicago with a certain brand shoe, which I mentioned before. But that's not here or there. Looking at the upper anyway, it's an all leather upper. Got perforations on the toe box. The toe box is red as well. Flat laces, and you got the aglets that are red. Back tongue with the Adidas trefoil logo right there. If you look at the medial side, so just unlike the lateral where it's this terry towel effect, it is kind of like a muted suede. So if you feel that here, and it's bold in that black as well. I know it's red, but the outlines, I mean, it was black just to think that, just in case I know you guys don't think I know my colours. Got it at the end. Because it's a high, you've got that ankle support there. It's a leather paneling also. And if you look at the inner as well, so you've got this terry towel effect that's going on in the lining. Just makes it a bit more comfortable as well. And it kind of is kind of retro. If you think about it, a lot of sneakers at that time had a similar lining as well. Looking at the heel, you've got the Adidas trefoil logo, and on the insole, you have the Adidas logo in the sole as polyurethane. So that rounds up my review. Really excited to try these on. Believe it or not, back in the day, I really liked a Rivalry because everyone was wearing Air Force Ones, and I thought it'd be different by wearing a Rivalry low. That's why I have some affection when it comes to the Rivalry from Adidas. I'm really excited to try these on because I've not worn a pair of Rivalries for years. So this is a great throwback to myself, and I'm going to roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your half size down to what you usually wear for Adidas. Usually for Adidas, I am in UK size 8. These feel a bit loose. There's a bit of space at the front, and I can feel my heels a bit slipping up when I lift my leg up. But other than that, these look really cool on. And if you're wondering what trousers I'm wearing, I am wearing a pair of cargo parachute pants from Uniqlo. Get them if they're still available. This is not a sponsored ad by Uniqlo, by the way. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.